Hello, today I am going to tell you how to make photo frame or a picture frame with newspaper rolls. These frames that you see, these are made with newspaper. We have to roll the newspapers and then make this. So let's start. So you need to take newspapers. If you take this big paper and fold it in half and cut it here, this is the size of the newspaper that I have taken. So take a few papers like this. You can roll it with the help of a refill if you want thinner rolls, or you can also use a pencil. So how to start is, start from one corner and roll it around the refill. When you roll it, see that it doesn't go inside. When you reach till here, pull the refill out and continue rolling. Same way, continue till the end. Apply some glue here and stick it. Like this you need to make around 12 rolls, because I have joined 3 rolls together to make one side of the frame. There are 3 rolls in this. So I have made several rolls here. Apply some glue in a straight line on one side of the rod. Stick the second rod onto it. Same way, apply glue on the other side and stick the third rod. See that they are in a line, they are flat. So like this we need 4 for 4 sides of the frame. So once you are done with this, it depends on how big frame do you want. Suppose I want to frame this. I need to stick it from the back. This paper is stuck from the back. So these papers, these rolls of papers will come on top of it, and then you can have it like this. If you want, you can make it a little smaller. We can cut off this extra. So this will be the frame. So let's stick it. Apply some glue. And stick it. Same way this side also. Apply some glue and stick the frame. Press a little bit, but don't press too much that it becomes flat. We don't want to make it flat. Just press enough so that it sticks. Now the frame is almost ready. Sticking of the frame is done. Now we need to paint this. You can use acrylic colors. So I am using light green acrylic color and I will paint it. Remember to paint on the side also. It's okay if you don't paint it at the back, but the side of this rod has to be painted. You can also use multiple colors. One color for the horizontal rods and another color for the vertical rods. You can also do some polka dots on it if you like, or any other design like lines, some contrasting colors. Keep some paper under the work that you're doing so that your work area doesn't get dirty with the paint. Now the last side. As I said, make sure you paint the sides also because these will be visible. Acrylic colors tend to dry faster, so just in a few minutes this will be dry. Now I have painted the frame. Always whenever you are using acrylic colors, once you are done, close it and keep. The brush also, don't keep it wet. Always wash it first and then keep it. If you don't have time to wash at that moment, at least put it in water and keep for a while so that the acrylic paint does not dry on the brush. Now these edges, you can cut it like this in a cross pattern. You can cut it straight or in the cross pattern in the other way like I've done on this, or you can just cut off this square also. I'm going to cut it in a cross manner. I've painted it and then I'm cutting. If you want, you can first cut and then paint. There's not a problem. I'll put a little bit more glue here. Now we need to stick the picture. Let's see how much is extra and we will cut off that much. So it's around 1 inch from both the sides. So I will cut off an inch from both the sides. Then apply glue on the edge. And stick it. Check from the back. stick it properly. You can also stick on the side here. So I'll apply some glue on the side and stick this too. The other side also I'll apply some glue here and stick it. Just make sure it's stuck from all four sides. This is a beautiful simple frame made with just newspapers.